In R&D, we have a 2016 Camaro. We're in the process of developing long tube headers, 2-inch primaries with our merge spikes. We'll port match them, so we're gonna make them the exact same shape at the flange that the factory uses. All TIG welded. Then we'll develop the center section, all out of 3-inch X-pipe. We're gonna leave it all round, not smash it down like the factory did. On the factory stuff, I believe it's 2 3/4, flattened down to about 2 inches. Ours will be 3-inch all the way back. We've tried several different muffler combinations. We ended up with a 5x9 chambered muffler. We're also developing a replacement valve, take out the factory one. You just have to reuse the electronics from your current system. I know we're going to do an axle back, and then I think we're going to offer a whole system with headers and exhaust. It'll be a package. After we're done with that, we're going to develop a catback, actual true catback system to bolt the factory manifolds.